Now I would invite Mr. Atanur Dogan on the stage for the speech and a brief description about his contribution for the International Watercolor Society. Atanur Dogan, he is an internationally recognized Turkish-Canadian international artist, founder and president of International Watercolor Society and owner of museums, galleries, art groups, education centers, publications and art villages all over the world. He received the title of People's Choice Award winner for two consecutive years, 2019 and 2010. He was the founder of International Watercolor Society, established in 2012 to promote peace through his artwork. The organization currently has more than 85 branches all over the world. Thank you so much.
Selamun Aleyküm. This is really special moment for us because third time we are coming with all over the world, many artists together. And each time we are receiving wonderful hospitality. And I would like to thank Bob also. He is very sensitive person, and he explained how IWS changed all those prejudged people around the world, and what's our aim. It is going very successful because our idea came like a similar than Jalaluddin Rumi, whomever and wherever, just welcome. And I know Pakistani people also same feeling, very emotional people and very spiritual, and one of the greatest nation for hospitality and friendship. We believe we are human beings, small, we have very limited power, but when we are coming together, we can change the world. I believe each nation has, right people to follow and, let them to organize us to do something good. And I find out you are lucky nation, especially Jamshoro, because you have very good people in here. Especially, I would like to thank and congratulate their Dr. Bahai Khan, and he is wonderful leader. And he is making great change, because I know, like everybody around the world listening one-side news, especially those media is brainwashing. Those big power, they are telling, showing what they like to show, or what kind of organization they like to do. They are abusing people and doing all kind of naughty stuff. But art is different. Art and artist is different. Not like politician, not like those money power. Art power is coming from the heart and from the real people. So this is very important element. Art is pure art, makes united all those people together and understand they all culture each other's. Without the discrimination and celebrating peace and harmony through the art, very important. And this is very important land here, because Pakistan, almost heart of the Asian nations. This is very important to send the rest of the world message of the peace, love and harmony. And this is third time we are having this great organization, each time coming better and better. And also I am very happy to hear those good news. This Art and Design College becoming university. And I know these directors and this university and wonderful team teachers, and especially IWS leader there, Ali Abbas Said and his team, and wonderful organization. They will have bigger power for organizing better events and bringing all the university, also art university, together under the IWS. And so I am very hopeful it is going to take serious initiative, this new university, and we are going to connect all the art university also under the IWS. And thank you very much all your great hospitality. Again, thank you all the supporters and sponsors, all volunteers. Everything is perfect and great. And Jive Pakistan.